scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Supply and demand looks tricky, but this one is fast. Spot what both graphs always show, and the right choice basically reveals itself. Both supply and demand curves are graphs, so start with their shared job. They connect two variables, price and quantity, for a good in a market. That common structure matters most. Now, separate slope from purpose. Demand usually slopes downward, while supply usually slopes upward, but both still describe how price relates to quantity. That knocks out answers about matching signs. Although the slopes differ, the similarity is the relationship they illustrate between price and quantity of a good. So option A is the winner. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, but do not rush. Trust what is given and check what both curves actually show.